back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for stopping by to watch. If you're watching this for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification. You're always notified when you have a new video. Today I'm going to do day 2 cleansing. Before you watch this video, make sure you watch the day 1 cleansing so that you start it from the beginning and know where to start from. So today's ingredients, we just have a few different ingredients than what we had in our day 1. I have my spinach. I'm going to use spinach, baby spinach. I'm going to use beetroot, carrot, cucumber, parsley, and green apple. So once I have done that, I'm going to add in my water, and I'm going to blend this. Right there, our day 2 cleansing juice is ready. So this is what we have, and as I said yesterday, you can take it like that or you can sieve it. Okay, yesterday I just took it like that. Today you can do sieving. If you have no juicer, just blend it and sieve. Remember, it's taken first thing in the morning. So this is the juice that we just made. So the only thing that I've taken when I woke up is 2 glasses of water. So I take this juice first thing before starting the day. Yeah, it's good. It's actually good and good for the body. So nice. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to subscribe, remember to leave a comment on what you feel. So I've done my 2 days cleansing, and remember to drink a lot of water throughout the day, and eat a lot of vegetables, eat fiber foods and all that. Before I sign out of this video, today my shout out goes to Awar Kasina. Thank you so much for giving me support, and thank you for sharing out the video. And please, if you've not done so, please remember to share these videos on your Facebook page, and tag me along on my Facebook page, and I'll always give a shout out to you once you do that. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.